Let's be honest, 99% of the AI indicators you see on TradingView are just repackaged moving averages. They lag, they repaint, and they get you into trades way too late. Disclaimer, all trading involves risk, so always backtest this yourself before using real capital. But I finally found one that breaks the mold. It's called the SFX Algo by Flux Charts. It claims to ditch the lagging math and use price action models to give you real-time signals with built-in risk management. But is it actually worth your money, or is it just good marketing? I'm ATP. In this video, I'm going to stress test this tool live. We'll look at the scalping modes, the AI sensitivity, and the auto risk levels to see if it actually works. If you appreciate honest reviews without the fluff, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. So what are we looking at? The SFX Algo is a premium toolkit designed for TradingView. The big selling point here is that it doesn't rely on lagging data. Instead, Flux Charts designed this to look at price action structure. Once a signal prints and the candle closes, it stays there. It's an all-in-one overlay, so you don't need 5 different windows open. You just load it up, and you get clear visuals, signals, trend clouds, and volatility zones. But the real power is in the settings. Most indicators fail because they try to do too much at once. This one lets you choose your lane. You have 3 specific modes: scalping, day trading, and swing trading. Let's look at Bitcoin on the 1-minute chart. On the default day trading mode, you can see the signals are balanced, filtering out the noise but catching the main moves. Now, watch what happens when I flip it to scalping. Boom. The algo becomes hyper-reactive. If you love quick in and out trades, this captures those volatility spikes instantly. On the flip side, if you switch to swing, the chart cleans up. It ignores the chopped and only alerts you when a major structural shift happens. This flexibility is huge because you don't have to fight the indicator. It adapts to you. To refine this further, you can tweak the trend length. Think of this as aligning with the bigger picture. Even if you are scalping, you might want to respect the longer-term trend to avoid getting trapped. And here's the unique feature, the AI sensitivity optimizer. When you check this box, the algorithm automatically analyzes current market volatility and adjusts the signal sensitivity for you. If you're a beginner, this is a lifesaver. If you're a pro, you can turn it off and manually dial it in to fit your specific strategy. Now, signals are great, but risk management is what keeps you in the game. This is where I think SFX Algo shines. When a signal fires, it automatically projects a stop loss and 3 take profit levels. These are based on market structure, not random guesswork. They are fixed levels. They do not move. You can see clearly on the chart when a target is smashed, whether you take all profit at level 1 or scale out 30% at each level to ride the wave. The visual clarity here is top tier. 2 other quick things you need to know. First, you don't need to be glued to the screen. You can set custom TradingView alerts for entries, stops, or specific profit targets. Second, Flux Charts isn't just this one indicator. They have a full ecosystem, including a backtester to verify your strategy and a real-time screener to find active setups across different coins or stocks. It's a complete package for data-driven traders. But now I am going to test this indicator manually in 3 different markets. So let's watch this backtest. Okay, backtest is complete, and I get result is amazing work, very smoothly in market. I think you try this one. So, is the SFX algo worth the price tag? If you are looking for a magic button that prints money while you sleep, no, that doesn't exist. However, if you want a polished professional tool that cleans up your charts, automates your risk levels, and adapts to your trading style, this is one of the best I've tested. You can get the full package by Wind. The link is right there in the description. I want to hear from you. Have you used AI indicators before? Did they work? Let me know in the comments. And if you have a specific strategy you want me to review next, drop it in our free Telegram community. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next one.